Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar, your computer teacher. Today we will discuss class 7 lesson 5 advanced features of Excel exercise. Let's start this video. Fill in the blanks. Question first, dash is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. You fill chart. Chart is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. Question number 2. Dash are the bars or slice that show data values. You fill data series. Data series are the bars or slice that show data values. Question number 3. Dash is the key that used to identify the colors, patterns, or symbol assigned to data series. You fill legend. Here given the hint also. Legend. Legend is the key that is used to identify the colors, patterns, or symbols assigned to data series. Question number 4. Dash chart display data in form of long rectangular rows. You fill bar. Bar chart display data in the form of long rectangular rows. Question number 5. Dash is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. You fill value axis. Value axis is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. Question number 6. The purpose of grouping worksheet is to enter comma, dash, dash and dash. The purpose of grouping worksheet is enter comma, data, formulas and formatting fact. You fill data, formulas and formatting effect. Question number 7. We can insert pictures in a worksheet using dash option. We can insert pictures in a worksheet clip art option. You fill clip art. State true or false. Question first. A chart is updated automatically with the change in data. Yes, statement is true. Because when you enter change any data, chart automatically show according to your data. Suppose that you have 5 students and you want to increase 1 student, then automatically chart show when you enter your data, chart show 6 students. So this statement is true. Question number 2. We cannot modify the chart by changing its color and pattern. Statement is false because here I cannot. You can modify the chart changing its color, pattern and different types of you can also different type of charts. So this statement is false. Question number 3. X-axis is the horizontal axis. Yes, this statement is true. X-axis is the horizontal axis. Question number 4. The chart area contains the actual chart itself and include data series, category, value axis as well. Yes, chart area contains actual chart. When you have clicked the chart, types of chart, then chart area contains actual chart itself and includes data series, category, value axis, etc. So this statement is true. Question number 5. You can change the pattern of data series using fill button. Yes, statement is true because you can change the pattern of data series using fill button option. Question number 6. All the worksheets cannot be deleted in workbook. Yes, we cannot delete our workbook of a worksheet. This statement is true. because you can delete one, two, but not all. Here write the all worksheet. So this statement is all the worksheet cannot be deleted. Workbook, this statement is true. See, application based question. Question number first. Ritu is a student of class 7. Her geography teacher has asked her to prepare a chart on population of 4 metro cities of India. Suggest her the best suitable chart types for her project. Means here Ritu is a student of class 7 and her geography teacher want to prepare a chart on population of 4 metro cities of India. So which type of chart suitable for her project? The best suitable chart for Ritu is pie chart. Pie chart is the best suitable types of chart to prepare her project population of 4 metro cities of India. Question number 2. Dripti has created a chart. She wants to improve the appearance of her chart by changing the background color and its plot area. Which option will you suggest to perform this task? Tripti has created a chart and she wants to improve the appearance of chart, changing its background color and plot area. So which option is good for perform this task? We will suggest to perform this task by using format plot area option. Through format plot area option, easy way to directly change the chart appearance and background color and plot areas. So the best option is format plot area option. Multiple choice question. Question first. Which feature is used to send a specific result for one cell by adjusting a value in another cell? Question is, which feature is used to set specific result of one cell by adjusting the value in the another cell? Option A, grouping worksheet. Option B, legends. Option C, goal seek. The correct option is goal seek. Question number 2. Name the bars या slides that represent the data value on the chart. Option A, data series. Option B, plot area. Option C, legends. The correct option, data series, represent the data value on chart area. Question number 3. Which chart type display data in the form of circle? Option A, line. Option B, pie. Option C, bar. The correct option B, pie. Pie chart display data in the form of circle. Question number 4. Which function key is used to insert a chart instantly in a worksheet? Option A, F6. Option B, F8. And option C, F11. The correct option F11. Option C. F11 function key is used to insert chart instantly. Question number 5. Which key is used to group multiple worksheets? Option A, shift. Option B, control. Option C, enter. Correct option A, shift key. Question number 6. Name the special window that display data when you insert a chart. Question is, name the special windows that display data when you insert a chart. Option A, dataset. Option B, database. Option C, sheet. The correct option A, dataset, special window that display data when you insert a chart. Hopefully all students understand fill in the blanks, true, false, application based question and multiple choice question. All students write in your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.